WPILIB, or Worcester Polytechnic Institute Library, is the official FRC library for robot control that supports Java, C++, and Python. It provides pre-built classes and methods that interact with motor controllers, sensors, and other components. WPILIB also provides built-in control systems like PID control, odometry, etc. If you've been in FTC, you know what FTC-lib is. If not, then only focus on me talking about WPILIB. WPILIB and FTC-lib share similar goals: to make controlling robots easier through hardware abstraction, support for various logics, and more, but they're designed for different levels of FIRST robotics competitions. Some similarities are both abstract, low-level hardware control like motor controllers, sensors, etc. Both support a command-based model for writing robot logic and subsystems and commands. Both are written in Java and encourage object-oriented programming. Kotlin also works with FTC-lib. Both support trajectory following and localization, though WPILIB is more feature-rich, and both allow structuring logic for autonomous and tele-operated period. Some differences are WPILIB is controlling robots that are very heavy, around 120 pounds, and FTC-lib is controlling smaller robots. WPILIB supports Java, C++, and Python, but FTC-lib is more for Java and Kotlin. WPILIB is designed for RoboRio, CAN-based motor controllers, while FTC-lib is designed for control/expansion hubs, rev motors, etc. WPILIB supports OpenCV, Photon Vision, and Limelight, while FTC-lib uses OpenCV and Easy OpenCV. The next video is going to teach you how to properly install all the tools needed to code with WPILIB.